He's got it covered down here.
What?
He's filming from down here.
D.
B.
Oh, B's filming from down there. Is it a big one?
It's a big cement mixer, yeah.
So D's gonna take. I think he's gonna take a drone shot.
Do you think you could pilot that thing, Buds?
Do you think?
I gotta take photos of him.
There's this guy in the back too.
What's his job?
He deals with the ramp on the back. So look, he's gonna swing this thing around.
Switching. So close to the shore.
Show what's going on it, the cement truck. Imagine how much that thing weighs.
I know. I'm making it a video because for a short, how long to be a short is the most is 3 minutes. Exactly. And then it would stop. It's lifting up. I wasn't expecting to see this today, were you? I wasn't expecting to see this today, were you? Dad?
No. Look at the drones up there too.
There's the drone. There's the drone. My mom's dad's filming this.
easy, don't they?
I know. That only took 5 minutes. There's the drone. Guys, I'll put it in the video from the drone. I'll ask Dee if he can send it to Dad's phone. Hopefully he can send it. Hi.
Do you want to go on a
There it
kayak
goes.
tomorrow?
Sure.
We have a kayak and a paddleboard.
Can you guys ask Dee if he can send the video to Dad?
Yes. When he's taking now?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's landing now. I know B's there. You want to come in? What are these little flies? You want to come in, B, or are you going somewhere else? Are you coming in? No. I think we're good.
Okay.
I didn't know you could do blue cheese slices.
Yeah, I've discovered them and I found them later. They're not as heavy as.
Big buddy.
No, not now.
I'm sure you're safe, but this guy's offloading a dump truck. We saw him load up. It was pretty impressive. Oh, yeah.
You can see the video on my channel.
Nice.
Hey, Mom.
Oh, there you guys are. Oh.
It's back. It's coming back. Yeah?
Just wanted to tell you the big concrete truck's coming back in.
Yeah, we see it.
Hopefully he gets his truck here. What do you think, guys? Do you think he's gonna make it? Where it's safer?
Yeah.
But also, I would say over there is safer because if we do fall, or if we get trapped, you know, it'll be safer. Actually, I'm gonna go back over there. Guys, going back over there. What I filmed. Here he comes, Dad. Guys, let me go over here. It's not that deep. One leg in, 2 leg in. Guys, gonna have to film this in the water. Here he comes. Same guy. Hey, duckies.
Are you in the water? Hi.
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 You wanna be in my video?
Hello.
'Cause I'm filming right now.
Cool.
Am I safe over here?
What's that?
Am I safe over here?
Yeah. You're safe.
He's doing it. Hey, duckies.